In this video, I'll be sharing with you a typical order block trading strategy as a smart money trader. First, our criteria number one is for us to determine the trend of the market. So, if you look at this scenario, price is already giving us a lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and now we already have a new lower low. So we have identified the trend. We are in a downtrend scenario. Market is factor regardless of the time frame. So having established that we're in a downtrend based on this time frame, the next thing you need to do is for you to identify your point of interest. In this video, the point of interest we are considering is our order block. This is a downtrend, which means that we'll be trading a bearish order block. So the question is, what is a bearish order block? Now, before this bearish movement to the downside, there is this bullish candle that was formed here. This last bullish candle before this bearish movement. So your bearish order block is this last bullish candle before this bearish move. And then after this move, price came, gave us a low, went back to create a new lower high. So after this lower high again, price came down, took away this liquidity, and then create a new lower low here. So what is the last order block? The last order block is this bullish candle here before price create a new low. Again, price came here, create a new lower low. Here is a new lower low, and price pull back again, and then this is our last order block. So this bullish candle is our order block. And then now price create a new low, and then this last bullish candle becomes our bearish order block. So a bearish order block is the last bullish candle before the bearish move. So how do we go about making trade entry? So now that price has left here, price left this lower high, right? Give us a new lower low. We are expecting price to pull back into this order block. So you kindly pick up and mark out this order block, including the wick of that order block. And one of the characteristics of a valid order block is that it must take away liquidity. It must have a fair value gap, that is a price imbalance. So look at from here to here is our imbalance. Look at what happened. Price pull back, gave us a sniper entry. So if you look at this bearish engulfing candle, it becomes your sell entry confirmation. You see how this plays out. After that one again, price take away this low, take away this liquidity, give us a fair value gap. So this is another fair value gap, which indicate that this also is a bearish order block. So we'll mark out this particular bearish order block. Do you see that? We'll mark out this bearish order block, and immediately we have done that, that is one of our point of interest. And then we'll have a fair value gap here. We had this imbalance here all the way to this point. So we'll do what? We'll as well mark out that imbalance. So we have this imbalance marked out. And look at what happened. Price did not mitigate the other block, but price pulled back, filled this imbalance, and then gave us a sell all the way to the downside. So we now had that established. Now what is the next agenda? Now we had this low being taken, right? And then this low was taken by this price to the downside. So we are looking for a bearish order block now becomes this last candle. So we are going to mark the candle. So that is our now the present bearish order block. What is the characteristics? There is a fair value gap, which is an imbalance. You can see this. So this imbalance shows institutional movement. So what are we expecting? We are expecting price to pull back into this zone. give us a bearish candle pattern, and then we'll sell all the way to this point until it takes away this low. So our take profit is going to be here. This is our TP here. This is our stop loss. This is how simple you trade your order block without any doubt, without any confusion. It is simple and it is straightforward. And I believe you have gained value from this video. If you are here to subscribe to the channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead, subscribe, turn on your notification bell so you'll be the first to get notified when we upload our next video.